we're going to keep going, and we're going to install the egg platform kit into the diagonal corner module. Now with the egg platform kit, you still want to have your countertop supports here, but like I said earlier, the width will depend on the cutout width of your egg. Same goes for anything else that you're going to make a platform for. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble and then install the egg platform base frame. So we're going to just lay it out just like you would a module. Just slip them right in. Then you get your vertical tubes. Now this is a separate piece from the diagonal corner module. As you can see, it's just a lot stronger to have, for the egg to have its own platform. Just makes so much more sense than trying to create a platform attached to the diagonal corner module. It's as easy as this. I mean, just simply putting it together like Legos. Here we go. Oh. Let's see. Now, standard is about 23 inches high. You can see here, that's what we measured this at, 23 inches, because then you have your foot left over for the egg. Let's see. And it is as simple as that. Now you can just go ahead and screw it together. And the final piece to install is this 17 5/8 inch tube for extra support in the middle. Now we went ahead and clamped down the one ways, and we'll screw it in. So once we screw this in, don't forget to screw down this tube into the bottom of the one-way. To attach your egg platform base to the diagonal corner module, we use CPs or connector plates. We use one high and one low on each side of the front here, and we just bent them with our hands. Make sure you get 2 screws in at least here. We bent them with our hands to open up so it can bring the egg and come around and bring the egg platform through the back here. As you can see, we're just going to position it and then we'll just go ahead and screw in our connector plates, maybe top and bottom. You can bend them in for safety later on so that you don't cut yourself in the inside. But as you can see, this really attaches the egg platform to the diagonal corner module. So yeah, just get a couple of screws in, and that's it. As you can see, you know, the egg's not gonna have any problem with supports, considering how strong this is. This is probably the strongest diagonal corner module ever built, and I can probably guarantee that. Now let's see the measurements of this diagonal corner module. On your back ends, you have 46.5 inches on this end and this end. And then where it meets the module, the straight module coming here, it's set to meet the module at the 32-inch depth. The standard height of all of our modules, of all of our standard modules, are 35 inches tall. And then the measurement from the front all the way to the back is 56 inches. The front of the module is meant for a 14 by 20 inch vertical door to access the plumbing for the sink or the soup for the egg. The egg platform is set to have a 12-inch drop down. If you want a deeper drop down, it's as simple as cutting the vertical tubes for the egg platform before assembly. So you want to use a 3/4 or 5/8 inch thick plywood directly on top of the frame for the egg platform for extra strength, and then you put your cement board on top of that for a heat shield. For the diagonal corner module, we recommend 5 leveling feet, 1 on each back end, and then 2 in the front. And if you have an egg platform, you'll add an extra 4 for the egg platform, so a total of 9. That concludes the assembly video of our diagonal corner module. Thanks so much for watching.